Good morning, everyone. It is day 139 of the Be Fantastic Tour. I'm in Imperial, Missouri, and it's gorgeous. The streets are lined with corn, and it's a beautiful day, blue skies, and we have a birthday girl. Robin and her husband Mike are my hosts here in Imperial for a few days, and I've known them for over a dozen years from California, and they moved out here. Robin is, like I say, it's her birthday, and she's sharing it with 21 million other people today. So happy birthday, everybody.
Happy birthday.
For all you August 20th birthdayites. And we're going to go to the St. Louis Science Museum.
Science Center.
Science Center.
It's a planetarium.
Oh, a planetarium. Did one of those in Montana. Anyway, so we're going to have some fun, bring you some sights and some information. Now, Robin is a singer, gorgeous singer, and she also wants to be a motivational speaker. So I'm going to give her some life advice on that. Because in life you can do anything you want to do. You just have to want to do it, and you have to do it. You have to put 5 minutes a day towards that goal, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes you put more than 5 minutes, but 5 minutes at a minimum. And let me turn the camera around so you can see what a gorgeous view this is, guys. This is Missouri. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. And
I love it here.
Yesterday, I brought you guys some views from the Gateway Arch, which was phenomenal. I wish I'd gone up into it, the monument. But as everything else in this world, it's closed. Ridiculous, this COVID stuff. Left here? Okay. Is that what it says? Good. I have a co-pilot here telling me which way to turn. Look at this countryside, guys. Beats the city life. You gotta get to the country.
Historical landmark right here.
Oh, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I love these old buildings. I like photographing old buildings.
The Burnell, it's like some special house or something.
Yeah, there's a lot of, as I drive across country, there's a lot of fantastic old things. I like
It's awesome.
Old homes and log cabins and what have you. But so this is Missouri today, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to bring you hopefully some really fantastic stuff today. Talk to you soon.
A house on this side of the road.
There's an underground house, according to Robin. Have you been to it?
No, I've seen it.
That's fantastic.
It's nice. This one. See how it's...
Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's nice.
Crazy? It's big.
Yeah. Built into the hill.
Yeah, built in the hill, but it's nice and cool in there in the summer.
Yeah, in summer and winter.
Mm-hmm.
Building homes in mountains is... I heard the government's doing a lot of that. Hollowing out cities so they can have an underground base. Guys, is this gorgeous? We have a beautiful country, and every day I bring you new sights and new sounds and new philosophies to make this world a kinder, more peaceful place.
Amen.
And that's by getting rid of the word good. Throw that word away. Do not use it anymore. It's a 4-letter word. Replace it with fantastic and watch your life change, everybody. It really is an amazing, energetic word. It's got love. It makes people happy to hear it. And isn't that what it's all about? Making people happy?
And we make those ladies in the grocery store, that kid and that lady smile.
There you can see.
It was awesome.
It's magical. It really, when you get into doing it, it really is amazing. So they don't really call them parishes out here, not churches?
Hey, well, that's Catholic. They always call it Catholic.
Oh, is that right?
Catholic parishes, yeah.
Okay. Now I heard that a lot of places they're called wards, not districts.
Mm-hmm.
Is it wards out here as well?
Districts. I've never heard the word ward.
Yeah, well, that was over in the last.
We go by county around here.
Okay, we're here at the St. Louis Science Center. We're masked up, doing the right thing, even though we don't like masks. And we're going to go check out the center. Check this out, guys. There it is. Oh, we're going to see dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs. And we've got this extravagant device in the center of the lobby. One of those kinetic energy contraptions. Oh, look at that. We have a live dinosaur here. Okay, never heard of it, but it's called the Game of Chunky, and it's the oldest game in America, 600 years ago, by Mississippians.
Around 600 AD. So.
Wow, no, 600 AD, not 600 years ago. Interesting. Look at the teeth on this mastodon jaw. Dang. Petrified wood. Smokey the Bear. This is an orangutan. Eagle. Look at that clam.
Alligator.
Oh, this is the old X-ray for dentists in the old days. Oh my goodness. Eyeballs. Yeah, which kind of eye do you want to have today? There we go. Love jets. Submarines. Ejector seat. Look at that. Jet engine. Dang. This is a fluid test machine used to test mercury in Gemini launches. Just all kind of interesting things mixed together. It's interesting how it's technology, old and new, and pretty cool exhibit here. I like this old dentist chair. It's a silent movie projector, that one there. Old arcade game. What's that one over there? Television, old television.
Look at the huge tube.
Old phonograph.
The huge tube in that thing, too.
Yeah. The white thing over there, that's an iron lung. Electrostatic generator, submarine. There we go. Triceratops. Triceratops. Cenozoic era.
It's a fossil of something, but it looks like a skull.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
In the Mesozoic era.
Mesozoic.
In the Paleozoic era. Long time ago.
Isn't that cool?
Beautiful. Crystals. Precambrian era. Many millions of years ago. Gorgeous.
Yeah, it must be granite. Fossilized
Fish fossils.
coral. It's crazy.
So look at this one here.
Oh, that must be a dinosaur's foot.
Juvenile hadrosaur footprint. And we're working on some fossils over there. Really
Look at
cool.
the work on all these fossils.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so interesting.
How would you like to see that dragonfly coming at you? Earth creates some beautiful stuff. Crystals. Gorgeous. And here we have the head of a Tyrannosaurus Rex, tyrant lizard.
So when we take all these chemicals together, we basically have a whole rainbow of pie. Now, a quick rundown from your left to your right. This on the end, this blue flame is just alcohol by itself. It's kind of the control group for this experiment. Next to it, we have sodium chloride. Sodium is an orange flame. Probably heard of sodium chloride before as table salt. That's put on your french fries or your popcorn. Next to it, we have potassium chloride. Potassium, like you kind of bananas. We have red strontium chloride. This pinkish purple color comes from lithium. And the last chloride salt we have here contains copper, and you get a bluish green color. These are basically small-scale versions of the same chemicals that you would see being used to give fireworks their color. You went out on the 4th of July, you saw a big explosion in the sky, like a big bright red one. That's because that little rocket contained a bit of strontium. The greenish one contains copper. So we can take this a step further. We take these chemicals and we put them into the air. Where do you think there's more oxygen? Here at my lab table, we're up in the air.
Up in the air.
Right, that's a silly question. The air is partially made of oxygen. So what kind of difference do you think you can see between lighting them on fire up here and spraying it into the air? I think you can see a similar amount of these fuels. What you put up here burns up a lot faster, a lot more brightly. This is that pinkish purple, that lithium chloride. The technical name of this color, by the way, so I'm told, is fuchsia. Fuchsia flame. Here's our strontium, our red machine. This is really much brighter, right?
That's so cool.
Yeah.
So again, these are just kind of basically the same sort of thing you can see to make fireworks. These are the chemicals that can do the colors that have anything like the gunpowder or the rockets that are used to make them, but it's the same idea with the same sort of chemicals getting on those distinct colors. Alright, I'm going to go over here. This test tube contains another form of potassium. We talked about this one with potassium chloride. This is called potassium chlorate. It's a little bit different because one, we're going to heat it up. It's not going to burn. It's going to start to melt there. And that potassium chlorate means that it's basically this stuff but with some oxygen added to it. So that oxygen is going to make that easier to burn when we add some fuel to it. So we have heat as our ignition source. We have oxygen. We see to add a bit of fuel. So our fuel is going to be this. You see that? You know what that is?
No.
Piece of candy. So it's a little artificial green flavored jujube. Now chemically, this is like 95% sugar. Sugar's a pretty addictive fuel. There's a reason why living things use sugar as a source of energy. Sugar molecules contain a lot of energy, and they break down really easily to release that energy. So, what I'm going to do is we're going to take that, and we're going to drop it in our test tube once that's all melted. Almost ready. And once it does that, you're going to see all the energy in that sugar get released in the span of a few short seconds. You're basically going to see an entire sugar rush happen on a small scale in this test tube.
Sugar rush.
You guys ready? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. We'll start slow. The coating will break down. And the reaction will get to that sugar on the inside.
So
We'll pick up The hotter it goes, the faster the reaction will happen. We turned our test tube into a glow stick and all that sugar burns up until very soon it's all going to run out and you get your crash that comes after your sugar rush. Ever light a match at a gas station, you're going to see that happen.
You put a little alcohol in there,
All
right?
right, are you guys ready?
Denatured alcohol.
All right, we're going to put it behind our safety screen. We're going to add our last ingredient, which is our ignition source. So, now, do a few more good shakes. Keep in mind, we are going to have an explosion. So that's going to make a decent medium to medium loud noise. So I'm going to count it down. I don't want to startle anyone. I'll let you guys know when it's coming. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Right here. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Just a little,
You can do that at home.
just a little bit of
So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you
Alcohol.
so much for hanging.
more skulls from ancient days, ancient years. Well, working away. Here is a transparent woman. Interesting.
Thank you. Yeah, we're at the site. Me and Monty are at the site. It's like
The
Plinko.
probability curve.
It's like Plinko on Price is Right. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Can you get somebody to work for you tonight? Take your over. Okay.
Differential gear cart. Goodbye, Earth. We're going to the moon. And that's, yeah. Okay, everybody, we're going to the moon. I think you busted us.
I think he did.
How do you know, though?
There's a camera
For
right
your
there.
comfort, please use the grab rails in front of you. And an emergency
No, is
stop
there?
button is located overhead if needed.
Yeah.
So we're in a simulator that's going moving, so we get some motion. You know, you obviously watching it don't see the motion, but hopefully you enjoy this. think it's in the mask again.
It's not
and
on your
remain
nose.
seated for the duration of the ride. For your comfort, please use the grab
I think they
rails in front of you.
have a camera watching us
And
if we have
an
masks
emergency
on,
stop
so
button is located
I guess I'm going
overhead
to
if
keep the
needed.
mask on this time. We got an extra ride, though, it looks like.
Yeah, you get to do it all over again.
That's ridiculous with the mask.